Masyado ng malakas ang hangin dito sa labas. Pwes, pasok na tayo sa loob para sa isa pang kakaibang adventure. Yes, may adventure tayo, pero nasa loob siya ng isang gusali. Mag-i-indoor surfing tayo, kaya kapit na! Ito ang kauna-unahang indoor surfing na nasa isang mall. Ang gamit nila rito, modernong teknolohiya na nagpo-produce ng sheet wave o artificial na alon. Hindi daw kalakasan ng alon, kaya kontrolado ang pagsasurf dito. Perfect para sa first time mag-surf like me. What is our first step before we proceed ourselves?
Okay, you must know the safety thing. So first you need to know how to protect yourself.
Full
Yeah,
head?
you need to protect yourself. Just protect your head.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So when you fall down,
And
just
then?
protect yourself.
And then?
Okay, and lie down.
Then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the water will push you up.
The water is throw me.
Yeah.
Over
yeah,
there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Matapos ang Surfing 101, may pa-surfing tricks pa si Sing. Wow! It's my time to shine! Grabe! Struggle is real! Nya, pwede ba ganito na lang?
Hindi naman surfing yan, Empoy.
I'm so sorry, Ma'am Sue. One more time, please. Oh, ayos ba mga ka-wonder? Hirap! Pero na kaya ko kahit isa lang, isang lubid. It's a good experience for me. Parang na-feel ko talaga na nandun ka talaga sa dagat talaga.